Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to increase the disk size of any AWS EC2 instance without any downtime or data loss. So let's start. So this is the output of my df-th command. Here we can see that my root volume is almost full. So now we check the output of lsblk command also. Here we can check the size of the current disk. So currently 8 GB of disk is attached to my server. So all the data present in the server is important for me, so I can delete any data and I want to increase the current volume. So to increase the volume size, I need to go to the AWS console, and I will go to that server and go to the storage section of that server. Now we can see the volume that attached to this server. So here we go to that volume. Now we are going to that volume settings, and here we can option to modify the volume. Now here I just modify from 8 to 16 GB and click on the modify button. So AWS modify the volume from 8 to 16 GB. Here we can also check the size. Now we go to our terminal. Now check the here output of lsblk. So here we can see that our disk size are increased from 8 to 16 GB, but we need to increase the partition also. To increase the partition, we need to run grow part command. So here we just type the grow part, then type the disk name. So here is disk name is xvda and the partition number. Now after running this, we check the lsblk command. Here we can check our partition is also increased to 16 GB. Now we check the output of df-th command, but here we can check our file system not increase. To extend the file system also, we run the command xfs underscore grow fs -d. Now we check the output of df-th command. Here we can check our file system also increase from 8 to 16 GB. So that's how you can expand your EC2 disk safely in AWS. Thanks for watching. Bye.